Slick Seed Company is a native grass processor, grower of environmental quality seeds. We also do food plots for conservation benefits and utilize that for deer, quail, and turkey hunters. We specialize in erosion control seeds, reclamation seeds, and wildflower seeds. We use the VAPG grant to utilize a way of developing and springboarding a new variety of switchgrass that's never been cultivated in the United States or in the world. We took that VAPG grant and we worked along with the University of Missouri and other private contractors to see if this was going to be a viable germplasm plant that we can be utilizing in Missouri agriculture and also utilized on flood control projects. Well, in developing this switchgrass, nobody has any books on it, so we were learning on the go. We didn't know what the seeding rate should be per acre when we seeded it. We didn't know about cultivation times when we could harvest it, harvest yields, and this is the first time that we know of that we'll determine how much yield will be per acre in the small field that we planted 2 years ago. Well, it helped tremendously on cash flow because we could speed up the process, and in turn it allows us to manipulate the seed processing into learning in a small scale how we can take that algorithm and go to our larger scale. I would suggest to look and work on the pre-application process first to make sure you're not spending a lot of time and effort for the full application. I would also make sure that you work with a good consultant like we did in the beginning and understand that just because you apply doesn't mean you're going to receive those funds. Everybody in agriculture needs the VAPG due to the fact that it helps generate not only interest in what you're doing, but generates a lot of interest from a standpoint of bankers recognize that the government has a hand into this process too.